Our Fairbanks, Alaska store is closest to the North Pole, which has folks wondering, does Santa shop at the Home Depot?
No comment.
Does Santa shop here?
I can't comment on that.
Does Santa shop here?
Who?
Santa Claus?
Come again?
I don't know anybody by that name.
Is he a contractor?
Have you ever seen this man?
No.
I haven't seen this guy, no.
He's the guy with the beard.
This is Alaska. There's a lot of guys with beards.
Never seen anybody look like that before.
You're not even looking at it.
Yeah.
Is Santa Claus a shopper at this Home Depot?
I can neither confirm nor deny that rumor. There's a lot of Nicks in this town.
Yes, we have red paint. Technically, it's auto body paint, but I don't see why it wouldn't work on a sleigh.
Somebody made the naughty list.
Yep.
This time of the year, these tiny gloves are the most popular. We don't know why.
It's elves. It's elves.
Come on, Bryce.
There he is. That's him. Santa!
Hi, my name's Keith. Can I help you?
Well, we didn't get an answer to that Santa question,
You have a good day.
but we sure met some people who know a thing or two about giving. To all of our associates who make the holidays happen, thank you.